Did you know over 30 million Americans suffer arthritis in their hands, carpal tunnel, and have tennis elbow pain, who wish they could do something to relieve their pain other than taking pills for pain relief? Is holding a fishing rod, setting hooks all day, causing angler's elbow pain or pain in the hands and thumbs? Along with aging, years of playing create stiffness in the hands of millions of musicians. Valve-type grip strengtheners shorten and tighten the palm muscles, reducing flexibility. If finger joint pain, wrist and elbow tendonitis slow you down, there's a solution that's lasting and inexpensive. Introducing Clinically Fit Incorporated, the leading authority of reverse grip training and maker of the award-winning Xtensor Reverse Grip Hand Strengthener, developed using the latest exercise science principles. This amazing device fits either hand, is made in the USA, and does wonders to help rebalance the inward curling of the fingers from overworked muscles, ease thumb, finger joint stiffness, and elbow pain, often the results of daily repetitive gripping and squeezing from all of life's daily activities. Guaranteed to make a difference within 30 days. Order yours today and get rid of your aches and pains so you can enjoy the hobbies you never want to stop doing.